Get it, Mama.
See a little spurt of blood. Ooh. You see that?
Mhm. Get it, Mama.
You'll see the head like through her body, poking out on the right side.
Hell yeah.
She's like,
She don't give a fuck. She's hell hungry. How long ago did you feed her?
That's what I told you. I called you and told you about her. Took me about a month ago.
Yeah, almost 2 months ago. Almost 2 months.
she's munching.
Hell yeah. Get it, Coraline. Get it.
She's munching.
Hell yeah. Good girl.
She stopped for a minute. She was like, huh? Why is she turning all pink?
She's having to readjust her body. She has to break her jaw in order to get it. Almost to the first front feet.
She wants me to let her go on.
Stop for a second. Breathe.
She already swallowed her?
No, only the head. She's just not getting to its feet.
It's a little big. Look at it. It's getting smaller now. She has to break it down. Crush all the bones.
It's so whiny.
Yeah. The rat's still alive.
I just heard it. Did it tell me?
Yep. It's been 3 minutes and 14 seconds.
And